Hey friends, so you've got down those windmills and now you want to put them to work. But how exactly do we go about doing that? Well, I've got a combo that I think you're gonna love. Drex here from DrexFactor Poi, sharing with you the love of poi spinning and flow arts to benefit your body and brain. And today I'm going to be teaching my first combo tutorial in many months, and hopefully helping you apply those windmills in the process. But before we dive in, I just want to give a quick shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecca, Flow Fests, Flow Toys, Paraterra Light Toys, and Ultra Poi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these awesome companies and the work they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. So I got a request recently for a combo tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, but I do have a combo that I've given to a couple different students as well as posted on my Instagram that I think those of you who've just learned your windmills are probably going to love. So let's check it out. So this combo consists of 5 8 counts, and the good news is that you really only need 3 poi tricks in order to get it down. You need your windmills, of course. You also should know how to do your archer weaves, both forwards and reverse. You can get by with just knowing a standard 3-beat weave in forwards and reverse, but the archer weave is going to look prettier. And also, you're probably going to want to know how to do some stalls. Now, I'm going to include one other optional trick in this, which is tuck turns. Tuck turns are going to help you out with a specific part of this, but there are no points in this combo that are specifically tuck turns. You'll see what I mean here in a minute. So kind of the theory behind this combo is to take a poi trick that I think a lot of people consider kind of basic, which is windmills, and structure the combo in such a way that it feels like when we arrive at the windmills that it is a payoff, that there's a catharsis to getting there. So it's about structuring and also kind of pacing the combo in such a way to make this move feel important. All right, so just to start off here, I'm gonna walk you through the combo bit by bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give you the counts for it. So it all starts with your hands and poi reaching over to your stage left, and you're gonna start on the 1 of the music, and that's gonna mean that you do the top part of your windmill going over your shoulders first with your left hand and then your right hand going over to your right and stalling over here on your right hand side. Crucially, this part going over does feel a little bit like a tuck turn, but in split time. All right, so our next move is that we're gonna take this back to stage left, basically doing the exact same thing, just these little tuck turns, but in split time, same direction, going over our shoulders. It's gonna start with your right hand, and then your left hand is gonna follow. So we go right, left, we stall, back over to stage left. Next up, we're gonna change things up just a little bit. We're gonna do those same kind of tuck turns-ish feeling things that as we go around our shoulders to our stage right, but we're gonna wind up in a place where we stall the right hand poi, but not the left hand. It's gonna continue spinning clockwise in front of us in wall plane. So just to review that first section, we go over to our stage right, left, going around our shoulders. We go back to our stage left, right, left, going around our shoulders. As we go back over, we have left, right, and the right hand stalls, the left hand keeps spinning here in wall plane. All right, so next up, the right hand is not gonna be doing much for a little while. It's mainly gonna be stuff that the left hand is gonna do. And the first thing it's gonna do is we're gonna do a little plie, boom, and that's gonna cause the left hand to go around in a very big circle. All right, so the right hand is gonna be just hanging out over here on the right for quite some time. We're gonna do a lot of stuff with the left hand though. Starting with, we're gonna perform a little plie and get it to go around in a big extension. It's gonna come back and spin at our hips for a little while longer. Then we're gonna do another plie, boom, and we're gonna take it over and around our shoulder in a little shoulder reel here. And we're gonna wait for our next big move, which is going to be, that's right, to arrive at our windmills. So the version of the windmill that we're playing around with here at first is going to be Poi Man. That is this big version right here where we are taking our hands and poi around in big extensions on the front side and bringing them up close to our ears on the back side. Now we're going to be doing just 1, 2 of these big windmills, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 smaller windmills up top. Once we've done the smaller windmills up top, we're going to go ahead and start on our archer weaves. I'm going to take left over right, left under right, and then over to the reverse side, right under left, right over left, right stalls, left stalls. And that's the end of the entire combo. So to review the entire thing, I'm going to go from my stage left to my stage right, going over my shoulders and stalling, then back to stage left, over my shoulders and stalling. I go back, over my shoulders, stall the right, keep the left spinning, plie, do an extension, hang out for a moment, plie, do a little beat over my left shoulder, and I do Poi Man once, I do Poi Man twice, high and tight 1, 2, 3, 4, and then weave on the right, weave on the left, stall the right, stall the left, and that's it. All right, so now let's assign counts to all of this stuff. So we're going to eat up the entire first 8 count just going across to stage right. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, we focus towards the audience. 7, 8, our focus returns to our right side. The second 8 count is going to take us back over to our left and also get us to the point where we have that left hand spinning and the right hand stalling. It's going to look like this. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basically what we're looking at in each case is that going over our shoulders takes up a 2 count, and we're either making the moment kind of sizzle for a second before we move on, or boom, we're speeding things up just a little bit in order to get to our next step here. All right, so the third 8 count is going to be with that right hand hanging out, just literally hanging beneath your right hand. We're going to start on the 1. That's going to be in our extension. So we go around 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6 is the beat behind our shoulders, 7, 8. So altogether so far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you want to spice up that section where you have the left hand spinner and the right hand hanging out, you can do so by doing some focus shifts between your right hand and then back to the audience, as if to say, well, when do you think I'm going to get it moving again? All right, so we're going to take up the entirety of the next 8 count with our windmills. The first 2 in Poi Man each take up 2 beats. So we go high on the 1 and low on the 2, high on the 3, low on the 4, and then when we do the smaller windmills up near our shoulders, it's 1 count for each, facing left, right, right. So here we go. We go around 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Our next 8 count is going to consist of those weaves, and we basically want to arrive for a new position with our hands on every single count. So from that last windmill, I want to be thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, I stall the right hand on 5, the left hand on 6, 7, 8, rest. So putting it all together from the top, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, so now let's do this to music. The music accompanying this is an instrumental version of Where Is My Mind by the Pixies. There is one small caveat here, and that is that this instrumental version is a piano cover, and the musician playing it is doing it more by feel than necessarily, you know, having a regular metronome or something that they're playing with. So the beginning of the section where we're doing the windmill here, comes just slightly later than you think it might. You kind of have to develop a feel for the feeling of the song, but once you get it, it feels super satisfying. So let's check out the full thing with music. Cool, so I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough, and more to the point, I hope you enjoy the combo. If you learn the combo, please post video of yourself doing it online and tag me. I am at DrexFactor on most platforms, and I will go ahead and leave a link to the audio track that I was using for this down in the description. Did you get anything out of this video? Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help other people find it and to help my channel grow. This video and all the videos on this channel would not be possible without my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you all so much for supporting my work. And if you out there watching would like to sign up to support this work, there are 3 awesome ways that you could do it. If you want to get your name in the credits or access to any of a host of other awesome rewards, you can go ahead and sign up for my Patreon over at patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. If you'd like to avoid signing up for another subscription service, I get it. You can also send me one-off donations via Venmo or PayPal. I am at DrexFactor on both platforms. I will leave links to all of these different things down in the description. Thank you. And if you'd like to learn more about dancing with those windmills, I did do a video completely on that topic a couple years ago that I'll go ahead and link to both down in the description as well as up on screen. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to get out and flow yourself today, and I'll see you with a new video real soon. Take care now. Peace.